Hi and a very good day to everyone. Okay, in this video, I want to show you about how you want to apply and implement the scope box features in Revit for your modeling workflow. Okay, for this purpose, I will just use the basic sample project for the demonstration. Okay, then I will just want to change the browser organization first to view all the floor plans view and ceiling plans. Okay. Now we go to mechanical. I want to go to mechanical and choose the level 1 HVAC ducting plan. Okay, or just level 1 HVAC plan, the overall plan. Okay, this is more nice. Okay, as you can see, here we have consists of a big area of main building. So, how do you want to separate or isolate this main building into a certain part of section or building wings? Okay, so this is where the scope box plays its roles. So maybe your workflow right now or currently, you duplicate the views and duplicate, rename, and you just edit the crop view manually, right? Because like this, for example, here, just duplicate the views and crop accordingly, right? So how about if you want to create many views, and so you don't want to create and change the crop size region manually each one of the views. So for this task, Sculptbox can also help in increasing your productivity. Okay, so we go to the view tab, and then you can see here in the create panel we have Sculptbox. Okay, you can see in the options bar you got name and height, so you can change to being a name. Height, as height we can change it later according to level. Okay, so here we want to use it as wing A here. Grid H until C until grid H, right? So drop it here. Then we just create similar for CS, and then we draw the crop region box wing B here. Can adjust then create similar, for example here is the entrance, or if you select here you can also change the name. Entrance, entrance, then go to here and create similar box here. Type wing C, the name. Right now We finished classified our building sections and wings. So next we want to create or generate view of the isolated section or building parts, or we can call it zoning. Okay, for example, you want to duplicate here, like view, duplicate, and duplicate all one. This is just for example. Okay, for example here we want to create wing A. And wing B, B, and wing C. Wing C, okay. Now we're in view A. So wing A, how we want to change the view? You can just go to properties of the floor plan view and you find the scope box under the extends scope box. Choose wing A. So there you go. You already crop your view without changing the crop region size. So the crop region size will be consistently the same as the main view here, the main view that you created the scope box. So you can minimize the suddenly changing, or you can control the consistency of the crop region size across each view for the wing A. If you control, you change this view, and all of the scope box crop size we also change according to the new size. Next we go to view B and we change to scope box to wing B. Apply, then go to wing B, and then wing C, change to wing C scope box. So here you can see main floor plan layouts and also its scope box, the isolated building section scope box. And you can easily, for example, if you want to create it in the ceiling plans, also can. Yeah, you see, change to scope box to wing A, for example. So we will create the wing A ceiling plan. Wing B, yeah, it will automatically change. And if you change size of the crop region, for example, 900, example, you change right here, you can see all of the view that have scope box with the same name, wing B, you will change accordingly. So you don't have to change manually each one by one. So that's why people using scope box. And also scope box is applicable to scope box view is also applicable to other views such as 3D views, elevations, and sections. For example, you go to 3D view. Then go to properties and you can duplicate a 3D view that you want. For example, here 3D wing A, for example. Then go to scope box, wing A. So you have more systematic and standardized 3D section